This is Ode to Joy and the first two lines of the right hand. So here is middle C, you have the two black notes, and here is the C to the bottom of that. You put your right hand thumb on C and line up all of your fingers. So we're starting with a long 3 in the middle. 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. I'm going to play that again without singing.